Hello, Taylor. Hope you've been enjoying your weekend. Depending on where you are, you may be affected by severe weather tomorrow and/or a winter storm. Or both, because it's probably the overlying areas, isn't it? Earthquakes today, though. Most recent earthquake. No big shocker there. Northern California. Strongest earthquake today, somewhere out in the South Sandwich Island regions. Islands region. I put the S in the wrong place. So, to give you context, there it is. See, I've seen that before, otherwise I would have no clue whatsoever where that was. So, 5.3, fairly deep, 68 kilometers. Not bad, I would think. I have no idea. Here's how you find out. You go to the USGS link, and you see if anybody felt it. Did you feel it? Apparently no one felt it. No responses, so there you go. High temperatures today, kind of nice and seasonal, bull in places, and then sort of cold in others. Low temperatures tonight, -2 up in Maine and some light bluish areas. But hey, kind of seasonable up in Washington, right? 36, it's above freezing, that's fantastic. Active weather stuff, I'd never seen these colors before. Blizzard watch is what I found out this is. And it's kind of pretty, isn't it? It's got the lime green next to this dark blue, which is a winter storm watch. And then winter storm warning is probably the pink. Yes, dangerous blizzard conditions. And this is for a Monday. I looked it up. Monday overnight into Tuesday is when this event is set to kick off. So winter storm warning, the purple is winter weather advisory, high wind watch is apparently somewhere in here, but I don't see it at all. So, here's the map for today, which is kind of confusing because this is actually for tomorrow, right? Because that's theoretically when the stuff is happening. HPC. So, this is the Hydrometeorological Prediction Center. So, we're going to look at day 1, day 2, and day 3. So, today, snow, this is at least 4 inches, at least 8, at least 12, and this is, what is it? A 1/4 inch of ice accumulation. So today, not a huge snow event, but tomorrow got, up to a moderate. I think that might be the highest I've seen it, where there's a moderate risk of 12 inches or more accumulating. So here's your blizzardy area. We've got a high chance of, or high risk, or high probability, whatever the word is, that there will be at least 4 inches in all of the red areas, and then a high probability in the red area that there will be at least 8. Yes, I've already forgotten. So that's tomorrow. So that'd be Monday/Tuesday, I think. Somewhere, it probably says in Zulu, it's valid 12Z Monday through 12Z Tuesday. So let's see, we're out of daylight savings time. I think that makes it 6 a.m. Central, 5 a.m. Mountain, but don't quote me on that. So basically from Monday morning to Tuesday morning is when that is valid. And then this one, apparently it's sort of moved out of the area, at least the huge dropping buckets and buckets of snow anyway. Resolved as of Tuesday-ish. And then for severe weather today, nothing. We do have a generic thunderstorm area, and then tomorrow, though, we've got, let's see, what's the easiest way to see that? Let's do the hybrid view. Here's your slight risk area. So, over here, you might get a blizzard, and over here, you might get a tornado. I don't know, is there going to be a tornado? Oh, there is. That's at least some tornado threat. Yeah, so, damaging wind, tornado threat, perhaps a tornado could develop. So we'll keep an eye on that for obvious reasons. Here's the 15% area, and that is the 5% chance of severe weather around it, as opposed to this lovely thing where this is just the gray one, on this is just the general thunderstorm chance. In general, that sounds kind of redundant though. So yeah, totally check that out. If you're affected by severe weather, snow, you should go to like the National Weather Service site and find out if they're telling you accumulations, or just call to work and say, look, I'm not coming in, I'm going to take a snow day. I've got my sled out, I'm going to have a party or something. Or just say I'm sick. Oh, the weather's coming in, I'm getting sick already, I can feel it. I don't know. I don't know how to properly call in sick. Yeah. Keep an eye on the severe thunderstorm type stuff at Wicked Wix. It's wickedwx.com. And enjoy the rest of your fleeting weekend.